Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ishaq Tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. My topic of presentation is cell theory. As you know that cell is known as the basic structural and function unit of all living organism. It is the smallest unit of life. The science of cell is known as cell biology or cytology. Based on the cell, the organism can be divided into unicellular or multicellular. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cells. The cell discovered by Robert Hooke is basically a dead cells. As he observed 10 slices of bottle cork of quercus plants, he called them as teeny boxes or honeycombs. These are the microscope used by the Robert Hooke, and in diagram you see the honeycomb. These are empty chambers and he called them in cellular. He wrote about the cell in his famous book Micrographia. Anton van Leeuwenhoek is the name of the scientist who for the first time observed the living cells, and he also discovered the living cell in 1673. Anton van Leeuwenhoek also studied fish, birds, frogs, dogs and human cells. The three scientists basically they developed the cell theory. One is known as botanist, German botanist Matthias Schleiden. In 1838 and 1839, German physiologist or animal zoologist Theodor Schwann and Rudolf Virchow, both of them belong to Germany, they developed the cell theory. Following are the postulates of the cell theory. All organisms are composed of one or more cell. जितने भी जानदार हैं इनके जिस्म या एक से ज़्यादा खलियों से मिलकर बने होंगे. Cell is the basic unit of structure in all living things. तमाम जिंदा जानदारों में खलिया साख्त और फेल की इकाई है. All cells are produced by the division of the pre-existing cells. नए खलिए पहले से मौजूद खलियों की तकसीम से वजूद में आती है. These are the three basic postulates given by the German botanist, zoologist and Rudolf Virchow. After the 19th century, in 20th century, some postulate is given to the cell theory which is known as modern cell theory. Modern cell theory contains four statements that all cells containing heredity material DNA, with the help of which they transfer the characteristics from parents to their offspring. So the heredity material in all living organisms is DNA. The chemical composition as well as metabolic activities, for example, water concentration, carbohydrate, protein, lipids, DNA, RNA, nucleotide, enzymes, they are in similar composition in both from bacteria to the human being, including plants, fungus and protists. And you know that ATP is energy currency of the cell, and they are similar in structure as well as in use from bacteria to the human beings. All basic chemical and physiological function are carried out inside the cells. For example, movement, digestion, it is similar. Cell activity depends on the activity of subcellular structure. You know that within the cell various types of organelles and other structure is present which perform their own function. For example, plasma membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi complex, dictyosomes, etc., etc. It is amazing to think that the cells that make up our bodies are just as loyal as we are. Humans are just a design community of cells which must work together to survive. The average human being is composed of around 100 trillion individual cells. Thank you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करें. Thank you.